We're tracking these towards portions of Crawford County. Notice here, Antrim, Grand Prairie, Todd, and Texas, Ohio, at about 10:35, 10:36 here as these storms slide to the north and east. I do expect them to weaken just a bit, though, not severe at this point. Area of low pressure, this is the culprit. Notice the little spin in the atmosphere. Eventually, this will move through and out, but until then, we have to keep the rain shower chances around. That includes during the day tomorrow. The impact tomorrow morning, minimal. Few showers potentially, otherwise just mostly cloudy skies. Take a look here. Notice 7 a.m. tomorrow. Check in with Jeff on Wake Up Cleveland. He'll have the latest, showing you the latest info on where the rain is. Still pack the rain gear tomorrow morning. Some showers around lunchtime. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. A few more breaks in the rain. Highs tomorrow near 80, but again, we'll watch as those showers will still be around even by this time tomorrow night. Now, our rainfall forecast is not all that impressive. An inch or less, maybe even, looks like at this point here, the newest information has us at a ½ an inch or less, so we're not talking about significant amounts of rain. That'll happen up towards Toledo and out towards Detroit. But the thick air is here again all week long. Notice the muggy meter. It is up there with dew points well into the 60s. Hey! Bridgestone Invitational back at beautiful Firestone this year for the final time, at least for the pros. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, and right now, most of those days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, looking dry. Can't rule out a pop-up storm, especially Thursday and Friday. 68 tonight. Cloudy skies, muggy. Watch out for those showers south and west of greater Cleveland. 81 tomorrow. Few showers around. Can't rule out a clap or two of thunder. 7-day forecast. We're in the low 80s Thursday, Friday. And then we heat things back up. We could be near 90 Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. Don't forget, there's Jeff. He is on Wake Up Cleveland. Check in with him tomorrow morning starting at 4:30. He will have the latest on all your. Cyrus is right here. This is where the tornado warning is in effect. Again, until 11 o'clock for Marion County. I'm going to read you a little statement here. About 9 minutes ago, according to the Weather Service, the thunderstorm capable of producing the tornado here was located near LaRue. That is 7 miles west of Marion. So Marion's right here. Let's zoom in and give you a little bit better idea here. 7 miles west of Marion, moving northeast at 25. Now, there's Marion. What we want to look at, this is our velocity product, what takes us inside the storm and shows you how the winds are moving inside the storm. Notice the bright greens. That means winds towards the radar in one direction, pretty fast too. Then we have a little bit of red right there. Notice some maroon. And when these get relatively close together, that's when you start to experience that spin, and that's when you start to concern yourself a little bit with some rotation near ground level. Doppler indicated. It hasn't been witnessed by any law enforcement out of there, but again, this is from Marion County until 11 o'clock. And the problem with this storm is it is heading towards us. So let's take a look here. Grand Prairie 10:53, Tobias 11, Dallas 11:05, Bucyrus, that is in central Crawford County, there 11:25, North Robinson at 11:36. So eventually the storm will make its way towards Richland County. So we're going to watch this. Not only here during our 10 o'clock news, but also over on Cleveland 19 News at 11 o'clock over on WOIO. So change over to there here in about 15 minutes, and we'll update you on that storm as it potentially gets closer. Again, a tornado warning. That's for Marion County until 11 o'clock. Weather impact tomorrow morning, just a few showers around, not expecting anything severe. Notice Precision Future View agrees with that. Mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning. A few spotty showers during the morning into the early afternoon. And notice more showers billowing up by 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow. And it looks like the rain will begin to end as we head through late tomorrow into the day on Thursday. As far as our rainfall estimates, again, the last couple of days, this particular forecast model was showing more rain. Right now, very unimpressive numbers, a quarter inch or less. That really indicates no issues for flash flooding because that threat was today. Tomorrow, just more hit or miss showers, perhaps a clap or two of thunder. 68 tonight. High temperatures tomorrow, topping out near 80. A few showers. Can't rule out a clap of thunder, especially in the afternoon. 7-day forecast, low 80s Thursday. We're back in the mid and upper 80s Friday. And then the weekend right now, look hot. Temperatures approaching 90 with sun and clouds.
This gives us an indication on what the wind field looks like, anywhere between 40 to 45 miles per hour with rainfall rates over 1.5 inches. That means some torrential rain out of the deal. And the good news is, too, that we're not seeing severe hail. Our severe hail criteria is usually at about 1 inch in diameter or larger. As of our current estimate, it's about 1/2 inch. So, again, losing a lot of the severe characteristics, which is the good news. Now, for our friends in Toledo, there was a heavier thunderstorm that also possibly put down a tornado. Again, not confirmed. That's unconfirmed right now. But again, a possible tornado damage site just east of Toledo, Ohio. You can see that thunderstorm moving from the south toward the north. For the rest of us, though, locally, I think that will stay relatively dry. Again, we'll watch very carefully that thunderstorm that we're tracking moving out of Marion, Ohio. That complements of an area of low pressure that we're tracking. This moving generally toward the northeast. And given the fact that through the day tomorrow on Wednesday, we'll still see the tail end of that system. Here's that cold front right here, generally east of I-77. That may be the focus point for a couple of those scattered showers and perhaps even a few thunderstorms to develop along throughout your Wednesday. Timeline on things look like this. I think through the overnight hours, we stay relatively dry. Again, we will continue to track that heavier thunderstorm as it makes its way toward the northeast. And again, should it hold together, we'll watch out for perhaps some rumbles of thunder, not only through Richland and Ashland County, but perhaps even Lorain and Medina. Otherwise, I think that we're dry. And then by tomorrow during the late afternoon into the evening, as we mentioned before, with the tail end of that cold front moving through, we could see just a couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms develop during the late afternoon. Otherwise, your Universal Windows Direct Full 7-day showing you temps today right around, or tomorrow rather, right around that 80-degree reading for a high. And notice what happens to those temperatures by late weekend into this upcoming weekend. We're in the mid and on Sunday, upper 80s, near 90 degrees. So again, it all pays off after we fight through these summertime showers tomorrow.